How to enable or disable the battery percentage display on the taskbar in Windows 11. Starting with Windows 11 build 22621.2361, August 2023 or later, Microsoft added a built-in option to display the battery percentage directly in the system tray on supported devices. It's a simple update that makes it easier to monitor power at a glance. But in shared or kiosk setups, you may want to disable it for a cleaner, consistent look. In this video, we'll show you how to turn the feature on or off and highlight key things to keep in mind. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Enable or disable via Settings app GUI. The battery percentage option in Windows 11 started with version 22H2, first introduced in build 22621.2215 preview and officially rolled out in build 22621.2361 stable. It's supported on most laptops and tablets, but in enterprise editions, it may be hidden or turned off by company policies. Microsoft first tested the feature with insiders before rolling it out more widely, so depending on the staged release process, you might not see it right away. Open Settings by pressing Window+I, go to System, Power and Battery. Then toggle the battery percentage switch on or off. Alternatively, you can right-click the battery icon in the taskbar. Choose Power and Sleep Settings to open the same window. The change applies instantly, no restart needed. Alternate methods for visibility checks. If the toggle isn't available on your device, you can still check your battery percentage in a few other simple ways. These methods don't turn the feature on, but they let you quickly see your battery level through the taskbar or system settings. Option 1. Hover over the battery icon. The fastest way is to hover over the battery icon in the taskbar. Your battery level and charging status will pop up instantly. Option 2. Use the Quick Settings panel. You can also check from Quick Settings. Click the battery, network, or sound icons in the taskbar, or press Window+A. On battery-powered devices, the percentage will show in the panel. Option 3. Check via the Settings app. For more details, open Settings with Window+I. Go to System, Power and Battery, and you'll see the battery percentage at the top. Group Policy and Registry. As of Windows 11 build 22621.2361, there isn't a group policy or registry setting to control the battery percentage toggle. It can only be changed through Settings, System, Power and Battery. For admins, the workarounds are limited. You can set general taskbar preferences with scripts or policies, lock access to power and battery with MDM or UI restrictions. The battery percentage option in Windows 11 makes it easier to keep track of power levels and can be switched on quickly in settings. It doesn't yet offer enterprise deployment controls, but it's a simple feature that can be set up manually when needed. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable the battery percentage display on the taskbar in Windows, linked in the description below.